Somewhere deep in an orchard, there's a gathering of minds all dedicated to one purpose: making agriculture that much better. This is Smart Orchard Field Day, an event held to celebrate agriculture and show off new technology that can help orchardists.
We're focused on empowering growers with data.
Steve Mantle is the founder of Innovate Ag. As a tech company in the agricultural field, today is the perfect day for his team to share what they're working on with people in the orchard business.
Companies that are flying in from all over the world. We have multiple people that have flown in from Israel, from Netherlands.
We have so many people coming from all kinds of different directions that shows us that this concept has been something that is needed and that everybody's interested in.
Inez Hanrahan is the executive director of the Washington Tree Fruit Research Commission. The goal for today is to bridge the gap between scientific research and application in the field.
Oftentimes we have technology that works really well in the lab, but then when you put it in a field setting, something happens. So this is a really nice collaboration between the growers, the tech providers, and the scientists to make sure the technology that we want actually works under real-life conditions.
We have three key focus areas. So one is water/irrigation. One is on the data collected in terms of crop load and soil data. And then the third is around autonomy and autonomous equipment to actually be able to act on all of that data and close the loop.
FairPick is a pay-by-weight scale system. So pickers have RFID badges that link them to a portal account. Additionally, this speaks 8 different languages. So if you have overseas workers, it's no problem. You just scan a badge, you change the language.
It's called Soil Optics. It's a gamma ray spectrometer. It helps farmers to understand what types of nutrients are in the soils so that the farmer has an exact understanding of what their soil is and how it varies throughout the field.
We really want to make sure we engage the young generation and show them that farming is not so much about shoveling dirt anymore. It's really about being a data scientist.
If you are interested in environmental activism, get involved with farmers. Get on the farms and learn about it. We want to embrace you. We want to help you figure out how you can apply your IQ to solving the challenges that we have out here with regards to growing, particularly Mother Nature.